You are aging faster right now than someone standing in the basement below you. This isn't a theory, it's been measured, and the effect gets so extreme in one specific place in the universe that a few minutes there could mean decades everywhere else. This is called gravitational time dilation, and it comes directly out of Einstein's general relativity. Gravity doesn't just pull on objects, it actually slows down time itself. The stronger the gravitational field you're sitting in, the slower your clock ticks compared to someone farther away from that mass. Stand closer to the ground, and you are, quite literally, closer to Earth's gravity well than someone on the floor above you. The first direct proof came in 1959 in a physics experiment at Harvard called the Pound-Rebka experiment. Researchers sent gamma rays up and down a 22-meter tower and measured a tiny, precise shift in their frequency, exactly what general relativity predicted if time itself was running at a different rate at the top of the tower versus the bottom. A distance you could walk in 10 seconds was enough to detect it. Today, the clearest everyday proof is floating 12,000 miles above your head. GPS satellites sit so far from Earth's gravity that their clocks run measurably faster than clocks on the ground, about 38 microseconds faster every single day. That sounds tiny, but if engineers didn't correct for it, GPS location errors would compound by roughly 6 miles per day. Every time your map app finds you accurately, it's quietly correcting for the fact that time runs differently in orbit. There's an even stranger confirmation involving particles called muons, created when cosmic rays hit our atmosphere. Muons decay so fast that, by their own internal clock, most of them shouldn't survive the trip down to Earth's surface, and yet detectors on the ground pick them up constantly. Time dilation is why, from our reference frame, their fast-moving internal clocks are running slow enough for them to make the journey. Now push the effect to its extreme. Near a black hole's event horizon, gravity is so intense that time dilation stops being measured in microseconds and starts being measured in years. A person hovering just outside the horizon could experience a few minutes passing normally, while decades, even centuries, pass for everyone watching from a safe distance. It's not science fiction, it's the same equation that corrects your GPS, just turned up to an extreme most of us will never experience directly. There is no single clock ticking for the whole universe. Every observer, at every altitude and every gravity, is experiencing a very slightly different version of now. If you could stand at the edge of a black hole for just a few minutes, how different do you think the world you came back to would be? Let me know in the comments. New discoveries